a big India Today Mega World exclusive. India's most wanted, Masood Azhar, has been seen in Pak-occupied Kashmir. Fresh intelligence input seen by India Today suggests that India's most wanted terrorist, Masood Azhar, has been sighted more than 1,000 kilometers away from his Bahawalpur stronghold in POK's Gilgit-Baltistan region. Pakistan's former foreign minister and chief of the ruling Pakistan People's Party, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, has recently claimed that Azhar might be in Afghanistan. Remember, Azhar had two known establishments in Bahawalpur, the Jamia Subhanallah, JEM's headquarters, which were targeted by India during Operation Sindoor, and the Jamia Osmano Ali, a madarsa located in a densely populated part of the city where his old residence also stands. But he was recently seen in Skardu, specifically around the Sadpara Road locality, which is an area that hosts at least two mosques, affiliated madrasas, and multiple private and government guest houses. Azhar is not the only terror leader who has found a safe sanctuary in Pakistan. Another designated terrorist and chief of terror outfit, Hizbul Mujahideen, that is Syed Salahuddin, is also believed to be operating from Islamabad's posh locality. He also has a working office at another densely populated suburban locality of Burma Town, where he is often seen accompanied by gunmen. Ankit Kumar is live with me on this story from the newsroom. Ankit, break it down for us. India has received intelligence. There are clear intelligence reports now showing Masood Azhar and Syed Salahuddin inside Pakistan. What more do we know?
Remember, Anisha, not long ago, one of the more polished voices of Pakistani politics, the son of current Pakistani president and the chief of ruling Pakistan People's Party, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, told Al Jazeera that he has information that Maulana Masood Azhar, the chief of proscribed UN-designated terror outfit, Jaish-e-Mohammed, could have flown or could have run away to Afghanistan. Now, most recent intelligence inputs, accessed, reviewed, and seen by India Today, suggests that Bilawal Bhutto Zardari might be right and he might be wrong. Why he is right? Because Masood Azhar is not on Pakistani soil. He is on Indian soil, illegally occupied by Pakistan, that is Pakistan occupied Kashmir. He had to travel all the way from Bahawalpur in Punjab, more than 1,000 kilometers away from Bahawalpur to Gilgit-Baltistan. The place is called Skardu. You know, there is an air base, usually known for tourist activities. Some of the better guest houses are there. But latest input suggests that Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar has been at Skardu, roughly 1,200 kilometers away from Bahawalpur in Punjab, to this region, this mountainous, this hilly region in POK. Now, this is the overview of Pakistan. You can see in south of Punjab, there's Bahawalpur. In the POK region, Skardu, Azhar had to travel. Remember, following Operation Sindhu, there was a lot of heat on his known locations. In Bahawalpur, there were two main locations that have been kind of associated with Jaish-e-Mohammed and Maulana Masood Azhar. First, Jamia Subhanallah, located at a highway. This mosque came up, remember, sometime around 2010s. You can see this is a post-strike satellite picture which has destroyed the mosque of Jamia Subhanallah. This place, although it is JEM headquarters, his associates used to live there. Jaish-e-Mohammed chief was not there. He had left this place during the operation. His old house, remember, his old house is at this place. It's called Jamia Osmano Ali. This mosque was constructed roughly around 2005, very close to a city orthopedic hospital. And this place, we will take a closer look. This place, remember, this is Jamia Osmano Ali. This place is Azhar's old house. This is his ancestral house. And right in front of this building is Jamia Osmano Ali. Again, a very densely populated locality in Bahawalpur. But we are being told that Jaish-e-Mohammed chief is not here. Where is he? This is the place. This is the overview of the place where Jaish-e-Mohammed chief has been recently seen. There is a hospital road, and the place is called Satpara Road. Remember, there's a very famous lake called Satpara, and named after that lake, this place is called Satpara Lake, filled with at least two mosques, two additional madrasa buildings, and at least a dozen of guest houses. Remember, this is a tourist spot, so not a place you will usually associate with a UN designated terrorist. We have something else to see. He is not alone. When it comes to proscribed terrorists, the chief of militant outfit, Hizbul Mujahideen, Sayyid Salahuddin, is living at house number 453 G10 by 2 Islamabad. This is his hideout. So Bilawal Bhutto Jardari should be better informed where his terror assets are. And who can forget this person? Hafiz Muhammad Saeed, the chief of Lashkar-e-Toiba, lives in Johor town at this place. So Bilawal Bhutto Jardari, here is the evidence. This is your person. This is the location. You had promised that you will be willing to arrest Masood Azhar and hand over the terrorist to India. This is where you can find him.
If we are looking at these intelligence inputs that we're talking about, the locations that we're talking about, is there any explanation coming in from the Pakistani government on how Masood Azhar fled from his stronghold in Bahawalpur and then reached Skardu? Because Skardu, as you pointed out, is on the Indian side. It is in the POK.
Although it is in POK, it is under Pakistani occupation, illegal Pakistani occupation, Anisha. Masood Azhar has been under protective custody of Pakistani military.